morning, guys. It is day 2 of our little mini vacation. And I just woke up.
Because it was my birthday.
So vacation. They used to have vacation day fun. So we're gonna go and have breakfast. So stay tuned. Remember to hit the subscribe button down below if you have not. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload a video, and hit the thumbs up button because I know you've been enjoying this vlog. So we're gonna take you on today's adventure. See you in a bit. Guys, now tell me all the sky looks. I'm gonna go up on the slide them yet. Them I forgot to tell me for the slides now. If you don't know nothing about me that big kid at heart and mind, body and soul. Look at the rain. It's tearing in Portmore and in Kingston. I know it wants your country, but me have to go on the slide, right? Slide's lucky, right? Okay. Look at the sky though. And Shauna we have to go on today. No, 2 of us must stay. Guys, tell me why Sean wouldn't want the 2 of us stay.
I got to go to work.
He gotta go to work so I can have everything I need. As soon as he gets home, Tiffy, he's coming home, so please. Wait, next bottle. Oh my god. Uncle Rindo. You wanna be? Excuse me, sir. Can I come in here with you?
No.
No! Come on! COVID now, but we can't hold together. Come now. Guys, it's the gift shop. I'll take you guys here. When it's open, you're gonna get to see inside the gift shop. Okay? Guys, the rain has started over here. Look at the sky, yo. And if you can see the rain. Excuse me, saltfish or salt mackerel? Okay, and what's wrapped up? Chicken?
Chicken liver. Yeah, been years been have this, you know. Yeah, grandfather, mama.
So what the difference? How for liver we normally eat?
Cow. Yeah, cow liver, you know, you can plantain skin.
Oh, chicken liver probably hard to forget. Cause them little.
I don't know, but...
What time you go? You come for 3 times. So, you know my song. What's one of my favorite songs? Oh my God, you know my favorite song. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, so come back to the omelette. The omelette. Omelette. Let me show the people. Oh my God. Alright, I can't let her come back. You know me, I remember 10 minutes there. Look who I found, y'all. It's my boo thing. Eating up his breakfast. Remember them since I said, baby. shop is now open. And we're about to go take a look-see. Hi, morning. Sean is sleeping. Well, he's resting because he has to go to work after this, but I'm not going to work. But I'm going to go to the slide because I can't come on the slide, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna come for this. But I understand he has to be responsible. He's an adult. I'm a child. A child. Yeah. Do you see the beauty? Do you see the goodness? Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's Harriet? Okay. So I think that area is a kids area. Look fun though. But I'll go over there. And then over here is a big people path. I run as a social distance. So yeah. Hi, morning. Get my towel. Check. So this ride is called the toilet. No, you have to swim to go. Be able to swim to go in there. So I was hoping Sean was gonna calm down so I could go in and then could have grab me from there. So I don't know yet. Pretty chill around here. Nobody there around here. Alright, where am I gonna set my stuff? So there we have it. The light. So I'm not gonna go in the ones that are closed, like to those slides. I feel like I'm suffocating, but I'm gonna go. Of the balcony in the morning. I gave you it last night, but this is how it looks in the morning. Sit down there, sir. Riu. Nice arch. And that's what it's looking like from my room. Yeah, we're on the 4th floor, which is the highest, and this is for Vacay. Time to go. I'll never really leave these nice places, but I have to go back, work again, so I can come and play again. Did you enjoy your time, Sean?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, it was nice. Now we're getting back to Puerto Rico, but first we're gonna stop and have lunch. baby is serious about trying new stuff. I beetroot that, you know?
You know.
Oh. Whenever say eat beetroot. So guys, we have come to the end of a beautiful, beautiful birthday celebration / vacation. Leave came here in the sunshine, leaving in the rain. Come here with our bellies empty, leaving with our bellies full. Let me go on this side. Great. So I hope you enjoyed the videos that we gave you guys, and like I always say, be sure to come. But tell them friend, but tell all them friend to subscribe to Life with Tiffy. Bye. Say that, Sean. Bye, guys. Guys, what? Oh, outside looks so. Is there a tropical storm out there? Should I open the window, Alan? Open the window?
Yeah, if you want.
Alright, you said yes, so